Sorry, Bernie. We're gonna put a turtle on your face. Okay, I'm gonna cut the skin right there and make a hole, and then take a saw blade and just try and cut the shell open here, and then work my way around and keep the body inside the top shell. I imagine the backbone is built right into the top of it there. It's pretty freezer burn. It's dry, so that'll take a little bit of messing around with, but we'll give her a go, see what happens. Thank God you can't smell this. I took the jigsaw and I sawed him open on each side, and you can see we've loosened everything up. You don't want to look inside, so I'm not going to show that. It's nasty.
Has anybody ever been to the dentist?
We've got the flap open. I'll end it there, pick it up where it's better. There's this bones. That's pretty neat. It's kind of like a triangle, this piece here. Part of it goes to the bottom, part of it goes to the top, and the shell holds these two parts. And it's really kind of cool. I'll take a wire brush and finish peeling everything off this and clean it up. I'm gonna leave all the bones attached. Okay, drilled a couple of holes into the backbone, poked some wires through, and got one for each leg and then one for the head and the neck, and that'll give me something to hook to. And now I'll probably just put the old bondo right to the center of it there and hold everything down. Not positive how hard this will bite to the shell itself. It should glue onto it pretty good, but it might not. We'll see. I don't know how much this shell will want to dry out and curl and peel apart, and some of the edges are kind of almost like scales, and I don't know, we'll see. It can't be too much worse than the alligator we did. Guess we can do that. We ought to be able to handle a little turtle. Maybe if the shell wants to dry and curl, we'll keep it from doing that a little bit. We'll see. Okay. I sewed together the bottom. I had to cut these open. They were so dry, and get them hydrated. And then we've sewed them back together, and I'll cover that up in just a few minutes here. Got it all hooked in, heads all hooked to the wire, these are all hooked to the wire. And I think it was better to go individual. And now I'll just fill everywhere else in and kind of bring things together a little bit. And then of course we'll put the cover on things, and we'll have to fill in on the inside there and seal all that together. But overall, not too bad. It's not going to be perfect, but considering what it is, and that it was kind of rotting around the tail section there, that's about the best we can do, but it's coming. It'll look like a turtle, I think. Okay, things are starting to come together a little bit. Kind of fake things out some. This will go right on like so. We'll squish it down, and then we'll blend on the inside and paint that. And we'll hook it nice and solid over here, and coming great. Get where we can see it a little better. It's coming along. Won't look too bad. We can't have it completely real because it's just not going to work. So you got to do what you got to do. Make something work. Hopefully my glue isn't sitting up already. Only takes a second. Alrighty. So, there it is. Yeah, half rotten, really old, worked out good.